Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got this great big feeling. Everything's going my way. Oh man, it feels so good to be home. We've been on the road for the last 2 weeks on holiday. If you haven't seen those videos, you might want to check them out. Of course, I posted them on my channel. Yeah. And now it's time to take this stuff off. You remember, I put this Vitech, this is Vitech paper. I put this on before winter to protect the outdoor furniture from the rain as well as the snow. And it worked out really good. And then we had a get together before we went on vacation, and Mommy wanted this stuff off. Okay, fine. I took it off. We came out here one night for, a couple hours, and that was it. And the next day, what do you suppose happened? It rained and it poured. And when it got all done, I had to wipe off all the chairs that's underneath side, the top of this gas fire pit, and because it was getting slightly rusty around the corners, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna put this stuff back on. So that's what I did, and it didn't take me very long. See how wrinkly it gets? And I'm hoping once I take it off that I'm gonna be able to fold it so I can use it for next year. Let's see what I can do. I'll just show you very quickly how easy it is to take this out. Got it tied with my string. That's all I tied it with, stuff I got from Home Depot. Right at the front of the store where the building materials are. You pull that out in a roll. You can use it to tie up on your truck, on your van, pull your door, your lid to your trunk down, all that kind of stuff. I had it taped too, and the tape stuck pretty well. For some of it anyway. That. I'm going to take this inside and I'm going to end up folding it, see if we can't get this thing folded. Before I try to fold that, we'll just take these two down. Oh, look at that, my battery's dead. I'm going to have to stop this really quick and replace my battery. I wasn't really going to video this, but you know me and the video camera. Whenever I'd like to do something, if I think it could help you with one of your projects around the house, I'm going to make it and show it. Oh, see what I did? See what I did back here? In the wind, this thing was wanting to blow off, and so I tied it around this, I tied it around the back, and I took a little piece, and just a little piece in the middle, and tied these two together like that to keep the pressure on that so it wouldn't slide around. I think it worked out pretty good. I'm just gonna cut it where I tied it, because see, I might use this stuff for something else later on down the road, maybe. I don't know. This is just wrapping shipping tape that I put on here. I kind of put it on there to help hold it until I tied it. And it stuck pretty good. During the winter, some of it I had to push back down, you know, but still worked out really good. I'm not sure how easy this is going to be to fold. So I'm thinking I might want to save this stuff if I can fold it for next winter. I mean, this Tyvek paper, you can buy it at the hardware store, and I bought a 150-foot roll. I forget how much it was. It wasn't cheap. But I still have lots of it left. And this stuff works really good to protect stuff and, you know, for different things. I actually used it underneath my deck when I did my dry rot deck repairs. I made a whole series of that, and of course that's on my YouTube channel as well. The whole series will be, you have to look underneath the playlist. Look for my channel, find my channel, and then scroll down to where you see playlists. And if anybody has made playlists, you can click on the playlists and all the playlists will pop up that they have on their channel. I've got all kinds there. I initially thought, what's the good of putting down playlists, you know? But you know, I've got everything on my channel. It's not in chronological order. It's not, you know, I've done electrical, plumbing, painting, all kinds of different things, and you can find it all if you just scroll through my 2,685 videos. But who wants to do that? So if you go to playlists, you can click on there. And then I've got maybe, oh, I don't know, 20, 25 different playlists. One playlist has all my toilet videos on it. One playlist has everything I've done with ceiling fans. Installations, fixing them, installing them, adding to them, all that kind of stuff. So you go to playlists, you can check out different things. If you're looking to do painting, I've got I don't know how many painting videos I have, or plumbing videos, all that kind of stuff. Then you can just hit the playlists and then scroll through the playlist, and you'll know that everything on that playlist has to do with toilets or painting or whatever. You see what I mean? And you can do that on anybody's channel. You can even do that for yours too if you want. It helps people find things easier on your channel. Might gain you more views. You'll get more views on your channel maybe. I just tried to wrap it up like a Christmas present. And that worked out really good before I tied it down. Now these look good as new. You know, after a while, this is going to get all rusty if you leave it out in the all winter. But see, this top still looks really good, but I've noticed it started to rust right there, and there's some different marks on here. These will only get worse if you leave them out here for the rain to get on here, and the rain sets on top of here because there's a little lip around it all the way around, and they can start getting slimy stuff on there, and it's just not a good thing. So I thought, hey, why not go ahead and put my Tyvek on there. So that's what I did. Now we're gonna see how well it folds. I'm thinking it's gonna fold okay. We'll soon find out. I think I got some more tape on here somewhere. I was gonna mark these 1, 2, 3, you know, for next year, but I can figure it out based on the different sizes of my paper. I should probably do this out in the garage, huh? Probably shouldn't do this inside the house. I think I'll take it out into the garage and do it out there. Well, there's my 3 pieces there. See, I've got some cabinets up here, and I'll find some room up in these cabinets. Now see, here's the rest of my Tyvek paper. I've got little pieces here. I've got medium-sized pieces, and I've got the whole big roll left. See how much Tyvek I still have in there? That's a 9-foot roll. I got to store that somewhere else too. I can't have it left in the garage like this. Okay, what was I talking about out here? Look at this. See there? That's my fan for the air conditioner. And I put that out there. I wrapped that just the same way. I haven't even looked at this or touched it. It's got all wrinkly because just from the winds and stuff. And I mean, we could get up to 50-mile-an-hour winds up and around here. And I was talking to my maintenance landscaper guy who comes once a week, and he said, oh, you're gonna have to put some rocks or some bricks on there because that's gonna fly off. And I thought, no, it's not gonna fly off because I'm gonna run it down this far. See, I've got 2 strings on it, here and here, and what I could have done was taken one more piece and put it between these, you know, and pulled them up, kind of like I did on the chairs. But hey, I just pulled it tight and tightened it up, wrapped it like a Christmas present. I have not touched this tape all winter, and you know, it held rather nicely. Okay, so off it comes. She said she wants it off now. I mean, it's past the winter now. It's not like we're going to turn the air conditioner on anytime soon, but the thing is, you don't want to leave these things on and forget about it. If you forget about it and turn your air conditioner on, that's not going to be a good thing. You know what I mean? I don't really know what would happen. Would this thing catch on fire? It would heat up, and it could short circuit. Could cause a fire. It could really mess this up too out here. So might as well take it off now. I have the chance, huh? Like that. There it is. And I've got 2 more like this on the other side of the house, wrapped up just like this one. One of them was a little bit bigger than the other. It's like it shocked me from the static electricity from pulling that off. And all I did was measure that with my tape measure before I cut it, because my Tyvek paper is 9 foot long, And so I measured this, made a determination what size I needed to make it, you know, overall. 8 foot by 8 foot square, 7 by 7, or 8 foot by 9 foot, you know, whatever, and you can just cut whatever you need. And that's all I did. I took my roll right here. I think I showed you on a video how I rolled that out and measured it and cut it with some scissors and used my chalk line for it and all that kind of stuff. And I did it all by myself. Nobody needed to hold the other end of my chalk line. I have a way to do that too. And it worked. All right, so this stuff works. I'm gonna get the other 2 pieces. I'll come in here and I'll fold them up just like I did those. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.